Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who loves dining or working from the comfort of their favorite recliner, the Homemade Bamboo Bed Tray. This sleek and eco-friendly tray is designed to elevate your at-home experience. Whether you're enjoying a meal, working on your laptop, or indulging in a favorite hobby, stick around as we uncover what makes this tray a standout choice. The Homemade Bamboo Bed Tray isn't just any ordinary lap tray. It's crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly bamboo, making it not only stylish but also durable enough to withstand regular use. This tray is designed with functionality in mind, ensuring it doesn't warp or crack over time, unlike many other materials. Let's talk features. Firstly, its adjustable design allows you to find the perfect height and angle, ensuring ergonomic comfort whether you're working or dining. The legs fold out effortlessly and lock securely in place, providing stability on any surface, whether it's your lap or a bed. Versatility is another big plus. The Homemade Bamboo Bed Tray isn't just for meals, it's your go-to surface for everything from breakfast in bed to late-night work sessions. Its ample surface area accommodates laptops, tablets, books, and of course, a hearty meal. Aesthetics matter, and this tray doesn't disappoint. The bamboo finish adds a touch of elegance to any space, blending seamlessly with modern or traditional decor. Plus, it's easy to clean. Simply wipe down with a damp cloth and it's good as new. That's all for today's review. If you're interested in upgrading your at-home dining or workspace setup, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay comfortable and productive.